Insertion of intrinsic membrane proteins by Andrea Griggs. The process of inserting intrinsic membrane proteins is like taking a road trip. During transcription, the DNA strand is replicated or packed into messenger RNA, otherwise known as mRNA. The DNA gives mRNA all of its information so that the gene will have all of the information it needs for its trip. Once the mRNA is ready, it leaves the house or nucleus and travels to the bus stop. The bus stop is in the cytosol. The ribosomal RNA or ribosomal bus reads the mRNA. As the mRNA is read, the bus continues to drop off amino acids into the cytosol until a special instruction is read. The special instruction tells the bus that a different road must be taken to get the protein to its appropriate destination. On an insulin receptor, the special highway instruction is almost immediate. Once the ribosomal bus reads the first instruction, called the signal sequence, it turns and it starts to travel to the endoplasmic reticulum, or the ER. Before the ribosomal bus can deliver the amino acid into the endoplasmic reticulum, or the ER, a toll tag must be paid. The SRP particle pays the toll tag to SRP and opens the highway called the translocon so that the amino acid can get to its final destination. The HOV lane, or the highway, ends once there are no more instructions or there is another specific instruction. On a transferrin receptor, special instructions do not come so quick. The ribosomal bus travels along the roads in the cytosol, dropping off amino acids, until eventually, once again, the special instruction to get on a highway and go to the endoplasmic reticulum is read. Just like the insulin receptor, SRP has to pay the toll tag by binding to the SRP receptor, acceptor. The HOV lane, or translocon, opens up, the amino acid sequence enters, and the highway continues until there are no more amino acids or the ribosomal bus runs out of gas. What is important to note is that the directions read earlier in the cytosol and the amino acids that are dropped off earlier cannot enter the ER, because that part of the trip has taken place before the special highway instructions were read. On glucose transporters, the ribosomal bus drops off amino acids into cytosol until a special instruction is read, and like the others, the toll tag gets paid and the HOV lane opens. However, a special instruction is read to stop taking the HOV highway and travel for a little while in the cytosol. Eventually, another special instruction is read and opens up an HOV lane. The special instructions of exiting and entering the HOV lane are the transmembrane proteins. And that is how intrinsic membrane proteins are inserted into the endoplasmic reticulum membrane. The end.